With our ZeeTerm Thinclients, you're able to connect to your virtual environments regardless of whether you are on XenApp, XenDesktop, Microsoft RDS, or even VMware Horizon platforms. Our product line of ZeeTerm Thinclients is composed of ZTX 4002, a classic and reliable model, certified Citrix Ready HDX Premium, ZTX 6001, one of the most powerful Thinclients available on the market today, a mobile line, which includes laptop or smartphone reinforced with an integrated Thinclient, and an all-in-one Thinclient avoiding clutter with complete flexibility. The ZeeTerm desktop looks like this. Everything is configurable, including the desktop background, published icons on the desktop, and start menu. You can also make an application like Citrix Receiver launch automatically in a full-screen kiosk mode as soon as the device is turned on. Included with all of the terminals at no additional cost is the ZConf Lite utility, which allows you to see and modify the parameters of the ZeeTerm Thinclient. For example, modify the language of the interface and/or keyboard, activate a second screen, modify resolution. Certain parameters are not configurable by default and require an administrator authorization. Of course, you can also access internet browsers like Mozilla Firefox or Google Chrome, depending on preference. The latest version of the Citrix Receiver is available, allowing you to connect to applications published via XenApp, as in this example with Excel, or to your XenDesktop desktops. In this example with Windows 8.1, you have access to your complete resources via the receiver interface. ZConf is the application which allows for centralized administration of all ZeeTerm devices. Through this unique console, you can modify all of the parameters of the Thinclients. ZConf is a secure solution running on a client-server model. The ZeeTerm devices are automatically registered on the ZConf server so that the client connecting to the server can obtain the list of all of the terminals available. Once the ZConf client is installed, you will have access to the entire ZeeTerm. After loading the configuration of the device, you will be able to access different parameters. The General tab enables changes of the host name or the display language. The Menu tab allows for modifications to the shortcuts that are found in the Start menu and the desktop. The Packages and Tasks tab enables access to the packages displayed on the device. That way it's easier to update them without updating the entire system. It's also possible to personalize tasks such as shutting down the device at 10 p.m. every night. The Printing tab helps with the recognition of the different types of printers, like locally connected printers or ones that are on the network. The Display tab helps modify the screen resolution and activate the dual screen option if necessary. Other options like wallpaper modifications are also available. The Network tab enables the change of the network parameters of the Thinclient, like recognizing a static IP or changing the wireless interface. The OpenVPN tab adjusts the options of the VPN connection of the device. The VMware tab shows the connection parameters to a VMware environment. The Citrix tab also defines the connection parameters to a Citrix environment, XenApp or XenDesktop. Finally, the Certificates tab enables the addition of necessary SSL certificates for the different networks. It's also possible to create configuration templates to set up a set of parameters like desktop configuration on a specific ZeeTerm or a group of Thinclients. From the device, the ZeeTerms can be classified into groups using a simple drag and drop. For each terminal, you will also have access to a menu that will enable you to carry out different actions like modifying the date and time of the terminal. You can also take remote control of the devices, restart them, or shut them down. Similarly, it is also possible to effect changes to an entire group of terminals all at once. For more information about the management of ZConf, you can review the video labeled ZConf, Presentation and Use. You can also contact us or visit our website at www.zeetim.com.